Yes, boss, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I am fine. I am also doing well. In the meantime, you should tell me that you are fine. Yes, sir, we are fine after Deepavali and we are going to be CA finalist in January 26. Yes or no? Please comment in the comment box within this video. And I want to hear from you that you want to become CA finalist in January 26 attempt. So guys, here I go with the 75-day planner of FMSM. I am Om Trivedi and you have already started watching FMSM with Om. I have an experience of teaching more than 3 lakh students in a virtual mode and more than 1 lakh student in face-to-face classes. So welcome you all in this video. In this video, I will discuss 75 days FMSM plan for you guys for January 26. And before I talk to you about the planner, first, I will mention few important aspects that you should keep in mind. Whenever you are starting or you are going to plan something, you must have a written timetable in your hand. Either it can be on a Excel sheet or on Google Calendar, or it can be in a copybook format, any format, but you must have a monthly plan in place, because what you are going to do should be on pen and paper, should be on record. So guys, I will tell you what to do, but you promise me before you start watching this video that you will create a timetable for your preparation, because that is going to give you result. It is said that well planned means half done. Second, I will be sharing with you the revision strategy. Third, I am providing you with the free test series. Sir, where should we access this test series? You go to my app FMSM with Om, and there you will be getting this test series. Every chapter has a separate test paper with solution, and there is a batch code called one-stop solution, FMSM one-stop solution on my app, and you can access that for free and you will get all the test papers. Second, sir, are you starting revision? Yes, I am starting my revision on YouTube on the name of RR 2.0. This will be in Hindi and English, both the languages. So you can subscribe the channel, you can like this video, and you can share with your friends who are actually needing, who are actually using my channel already, or who are already watching me somewhere in some form. Now they can come to my channel and watch these revision videos. It will be of great help to them for their January 26 preparations. On the other hand, we have case study series that I am already starting from tomorrow. What we are going to do is we will be covering 1 to 2 cases on daily basis, so that my basic slogan is small milate jao, large banate jao, right? So in that scenario, we will be covering at least 100 plus cases by the time your exams are closing down. So this is the brief plan. 2-3 things that you should also keep in mind while revising your syllabus. First, and the most important thing is that you should follow ICAI blindly. You should understand their marking scheme, question pattern, their new question style, and the changes that is going on in the ICAI pattern. You should notice it, you should take into record, and you should follow it. Don't be carried away by any kind of perception that you have built through some influencer or some other person saying something in the market. Don't go by that. Just analyze yourself, or listen to me. I'm going to tell you what ICAI is looking for. Second, because ICAI is asking new questions, at least 30% new question I have seen in every question paper in previous attempts like May and September 25. That's why I'm very careful while talking to you. At the same time, ICAI is using AI, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and other AI platforms to generate the content and the question. So, and this is making your question paper a little lengthy. What to do with that? How to deal with that? For that, you need good reading and writing speed. Sir, how will we improve that? The only way to improve your reading and writing skill is practicing long questions. Practicing long question. You need to practice a lot. If you are spending 60% time on your study and concept, you should give 40% time to your practice. Then only you will be able to match the speed that ICAI requires from you, demands from you. So guys, I hope I'm very clear and precisely clear about my concept of or about the planner or the approach that we are going to follow for Jan 26. Now, before I start, you will have to show your manifestation by saying that Abki bar 90 par. We want to score 90 plus in FMSM alone, because this is going to help us clear both the groups, not only one group, second group, both the groups. In this fashion, we start with our planner. First, I will discuss, planner, revision planner for financial management. Then we'll go to strategic management. Financial management, we have these A category chapters that is there already in our hand. My priority list is you should cover first the ratio, leverage, capital structure, cost of capital. If you cover these four chapters, in at least 6 20 25 or 26 hours in your first comprehensive revision. This revision should be comprehensive, where you are going to solve by writing your at least star marked questions that were star marked in your classroom, or that you already know that these are the star questions. So these four chapters alone will cover 25 to 30% marks of your question paper. So this should be the priority. Second priority should be investment decision and WCM, because anyways 20 to 25 marks or 30 marks question will be asked from these two chapters. Here I have allotted 10 hours to each of the chapters, because without them you are incomplete in financial management. If you are leaving any of the chapters, say investment decision or WCM, I'm sure, and I have seen it, and I have seen the permutation and combination of the question paper A, B, C, like that. That only you will be able to score, attempt 40 to 42 marks question paper. Otherwise, if you leave any one of these chapters, so I won't advise you to leave any of these chapters. Investment decision and WCM is very important. Dividend, yes, very easy chapter. 3 to 4 hour or 2 to 3 hour is max that you will be needing to cover this. So guys, this is my brief plan. And theory of course 4 hour more than sufficient. So briefly, you will take 50 to 60 hours to cover your financial management, and you should give your this much time to this particular paper for your first revision, because that is comprehensive revision after class. And this is where your 1.5-day notes, sticky notes, your important question, your all highlights, and the books and the material should be ready for second round of the revision. And while doing so, you have also to follow one concept that I always suggest, that is filter out. Filter out. What is filter out, sir? Filter out, say I am studying ratio mein profitability ratio. Anytime you ask, I can answer any of the questions of profitability ratio. Why should I revise it again and again? No. In last 1.5 days, once I will revise and go to the examination hall. Right? I have good grip over my liquidity ratios. Why will I go and solvency ratios, long-term solvency ratios? I have no problem in that. So why will I revise again and again? So the best idea is take a note of such kind of topics chapter wise in a separate notebook, where you will be mentioning that in financial management, the chapter of ratio, these three concepts I don't need to revise again and again, so that I can save my time during second revision. And I will be focusing on the areas where when I was attempting my test paper or the question paper or the chapter wise test papers, and I felt that these particular areas are weak. So I will be focusing there rather than those areas which are stronger, and anytime I can answer question out of them. By doing so, you reduce your 50% idle time in revision. So please follow this filter out strategy. It has always worked for all good scoring student and the rank holders. I have given at least 20 plus rank holders in this paper, or 80 plus. Many students scored 80 plus. Many thousands of exemptions are there from our classes. So I have experienced this, and this is what I'm sharing with you. So please follow this, and then enter into revision 2 and 3. Revision 2 will be 50% of what it was there in the first, and revision 3 will be exactly what you need for your 1.5 days. So I have planned your revision like this, and accordingly you have to consider the hours into your planner that you are already going on Google Calendar or Excel sheet to prepare, where you have to consider these hours. So this is briefly, I will suggest you these 20 hours are exactly those hours which will be followed and which will be executed in 1.5 days. So I think this is precisely clear to you. So please follow this basic philosophy. Now let's go to and this is how you are going to complete your financial management. Order will be the same that I have suggested you, and this is nothing but ICAI's order. That is the best order. We should not do experiments with ICAI order. That is the best order. ICAI knows what they want, and that's why they have made it like that. So we have to follow khata na bahi, jo ICAI kahe wahi sahi. Now coming back to your strategic management, this is very important. What we generally do is we focus more on FM and we leave the SM for last 15 days. That is the biggest mistake you do, because every paper, both the papers have 50 marks weightage, equal weightage. We have to score 40 plus at least in both the papers. How much above 40, that will be decided by your revision, but this is the basic, you know, demand from you, from my side, that you are going to score 40 plus minimum in both the papers. For that you need to be to do a systematic, planned and careful revision and practice of strategic management as well, because this is strategic management. This is not OC, this is not your general management, this is not your, you know, business studies. This is not that. If somebody tells you like that, because here questions are asked like, you know, application based questions are there. You must have noticed that in September 25 examination, when teachers were giving answer on YouTube, they were giving different answers, isn't it? Why did this happen? If at all this was the easy paper, easy subject, this is an advanced level studies. You should, 80% of the concept are application based, which you will be yourself applying in CA final. So you have to study the core of the paper. You have to understand why experience curve is there, what is the application of experience curve, why this matrix is there, what is the application of this matrix. Then ICAI question will be answered. Majority of the questions will be application based or case based. So here I have planned 30 hours for your strategic management, and as far as chapter 1 is concerned, it is an easy chapter, but you should at least spend 4 hours, because when it comes to writing the exact content, we miss on that. We don't have to miss on that. Second, when we come to chapter number 2, strategic analysis, external environment, it is a lengthy chapter, so it will take 7 hours. 6 for 3 and 4 is the easiest chapter, so 4 hours is more than sufficient for that. And fifth is the last but not the least. In last attempt, 20 plus marks questions were asked from alone chapter number 5. This is a lengthy, big chapter, lengthy chapter, and most important chapter, and the last chapter most importantly. And ICI knows that the students get tired when they reach up to chapter number 5, so you have to be careful here while talking about this chapter number 5. Second, in second revision you need 20 hours, and third, as I told you, for 1.5 days you need 10 hours max. This is how you will reach to your 1.5 days scenario. And then you can ask anyone, take an examination. I'm ready for the exam, I am damn ready for the examination. So this is the brief planner that I wanted to share, right? And let me repeat it again, that you should prepare a timetable accordingly and follow the hours that I have decided, the way I have decided. Please follow that. That is the best hourly strategy, because you have other subjects as well. Revision strategy should be clear, what to revise, what not to revise, what to filter out. You must have notes in place for 1.5 days, and you take your revision in 3 revisions to 1.5 days scenario, so that your 1.5 days will be very smooth. And if that 1.5 days are smooth, your examination will be smoother, and you will get upki bar 90 par. And comment under this video, I am going to be the CA finalist in January 26 attempt. I wish you all the best. You are watching FMSM with Om. See you in the next video. Bye bye.